Hi guys, it's Kim from Unpolished Gardens, and today we're going to be planting a Japanese Pieris. It is a decorative evergreen, and it is beautiful at maturity. So let's go get started. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? This is a Japanese Pieris. It resembles a lily of the valley, hence the name is lily of the valley shrub. The blooms are pink. They come to a pink, and then they go to a pinkish white, and they have a drooping effect. And when the leaves come out in the springtime, they're like fire. They're bright like fire. I cannot wait to see this next year when it's all fire red. All right, we're gonna get started digging this hole. The hole needs to be dug twice as deep and wide as the pod that it's in. Well, let's get started. Give it a nice, healthy break. Does it look like I need... I hope you guys found this inspiring to get out to your local garden centers and see what's blooming. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, bye guys.